Hello Edmonton, my name is Joanne and I'm here to tell you all about raising hens in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. In this video, we'll be talking about proper egg handling techniques. Table eggs, or eggs that are used for human consumption, need to be handled properly to prevent potential for bacterial contamination. This contamination can occur from vertical or horizontal transmission. Vertical transmission is the transmission of bacteria from the bird before the egg is laid. Vertical transmission can be prevented by buying your birds from a reliable source, or keeping your hens healthy, or making sure that you have proper sanitation between each flock. Horizontal transmission is the transmission of bacteria from the environment the egg is in after it is laid. You can reduce horizontal transmission through proper egg handling techniques and a good environment. Proper egg handling. Eggshells are not just a solid surface. Instead, they have these little tiny openings called pores to allow for the exchange of gases and moisture. Now, these pores are important for the eggs, so it's important to make sure that you keep the pores clean. Eggs can become dirty from fecal matter, dirty feathers, broken egg yolks, and shavings. When you collect your eggs, take 2 different buckets with you into your coop. You can use one to collect your clean eggs. These are the ones without any visible soiling or contamination. And you can use the other one to collect your dirty eggs. Make sure you wash your hands before collecting the eggs to prevent contamination from your hands. Keep all of the misshapen, dirty, and cracked eggs away from the clean ones. Another thing you can do is with a pencil, you can write down the date at which you collected the eggs. This way you won't keep eggs past the expiry date. Table eggs are generally good for about 6 weeks. For eggs that have dirt spots that are larger than the size of a quarter, you might want to discard those eggs because they have the potential for high bacterial counts. To avoid eggs that are very dirty, make sure you maintain a level of cleanliness in your coop, especially your nest boxes, and train your hens to use the nest boxes instead of laying eggs all over the floor. You can also grade your eggs through a process known as candling, which is like looking in the inside of an egg. To do that, rotate your egg in front of a light source such as a bright flashlight. This will determine the quality of the egg's interior. Once the eggs are cleaned, you can leave them in the fridge for about 6 weeks. Make sure you consume the eggs safely following the recommended guidelines. If you'd like a list of recipes, you can head on over to eggs.ca. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned a thing or two about hen keeping in Edmonton. Special thanks to the Egg Farmers of Alberta for providing the information in the video. You know, the Egg Farmers of Alberta is a non-for-profit organization that helps hardworking Canadian farmers supply Canadians with local, fresh, and high-quality eggs. They have a great ton of resources on their website, so feel free to check them out at eggs.ab.ca or follow them on social media. Thanks, everyone!